November 6th, I will be out at Wild Horse Pass Motorsports Park, and that's when we'll be making our first runs of the season. Now, in the meantime for that, I'm going to attempt to prepare with these boxes right here. I'll show you what these boxes are at the end of the video. Make sure to watch till the end of the video. And I'll go ahead and announce the new series. I'm gonna start with the channel and show you what's in these lovely boxes. Good afternoon, everybody. This is technically now the second weekend we've been working on this thing. What we've been doing here, because this radiator had sprung a leak, right here you can see I had a JB welded and stuff. As you can see, with all these intercooler pipes in the way and stuff, it is a lot harder of a job than it typically is. That said, we should have this thing back and running this weekend. We just have to get that stud, don't we, too? God damn it! So let's just kind of wiggle that bitch in there. I'm just on this oil cooler line, it looks like. God, I love working with plastic, don't you? Just waiting for it to go. What was that? I love how much room they gave us. Well, I mean, the room's kind of my fault right now, actually. You know why we're running into this again? Because of Ford's fucking stupid thermostat fucking shit. Yep. How the fuck did we get this out before, dude? You want to just start taking more shit off?
You got it out.
This is true. All right, that wasn't fitting, so we just lopped off the supports there. So that should give us a little bit more room, ½ inch on each side. All right, we both got very frustrated putting all this in. So I skipped a lot of the filming. It's all buttoned up now. Now we just need liquid, so I'm about to do that. This is to watch the temperature as she warms up. $35 on this fucking thing. Hold on, it's got fittings. Yes. Oh, it's fucking genius. Whoa! Can't really fuck this pour up, can I? You wanna watch for leaks while I do this? Oh yeah. Drink, baby. I don't see any leaks. Isn't that satisfying? She's shooting a little bit. Go ahead and fire up. This is starting to get close. I'll get the cold start. Woo! She's angry! Alright, fine. Some water weather. We're just gonna run some straight water. There's still a little bit of coolant left in it, but check the temp gauge, see where it's at. My belt was rubbing on my intercooler pipe a little bit. Thermostat comes on at 160. Degrees still. Alright, we're almost up to 160. It's got a 160 degree thermostat in it. Turn the AC on. Let's see if the fan's working. Fan's working. Hey, come feel the blow-off valve right here. Feel it. Persian air. Oh my god, dude, my fucking ears.
My ears are ringing.
Whew.
My eyes are burning.
This car is loud as shit. Okay.
Yes.
So burped everything. At least it should have. It's we might have to fill up a tad bit more because
I would leave it there.
That's hot temperature. Cool temperature will probably
Yeah, it's hot.
drop a little bit. So now just top it off a little bit more. It held temperature. Fans came on at 195 degrees. AC worked.
Bumper's going back on.
Bumpers. Oh yeah, we gotta put the bumper on. There we go. Bumper's on now. Everything's hooked up. All I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna put a couple zip ties in here so I prevent the intercooler pipe from rubbing against the belt there. Other than that though, we're solid, we're good. We're ready to rock and roll. So with all the exciting future content coming to the channel, I wanted to start a new series with you guys. We're gonna find out if a stock bottom end 3-valve can make it into the 10s. Now, it's been done before. I'm not gonna be the first one to claim it. In fact, I think there's a stock bottom end stick shift 3-valve that's actually cracked the 9s, which is insane to me. So let's start off with the bigger box here. Quick shout out to LMR for always getting parts to me super fast. So let's see what's inside box number 1. All right, we got some gear oil. So I bet now you can guess what's in these boxes right here. I'm not gonna open this box up all the way because I don't want any of the shims or anything to fall out, but we got some Ford Performance 373 gears. So those will be going in hopefully before we hit the track on the 6th of November. If they're not in by then we'll just, I guess, have a benchmark for the season from where she currently sits. And also in the box under it, I'm also not gonna open this one quite yet, but we got some BMR racing springs for the rear of the car. So this should help our 60 foot a little bit. I really don't have much wheel hop, so I think I'll be okay with just some springs or something. Sometime this season, your boy's gotta pick up some radials. That way we can get this 60 foot down and we can really get towards those low 11s. I think I could probably trap a good 11.6, 11.7 potentially with the gears and the springs alone. So radial, I think I can get a low 11 or some. So I hope through the season you can follow along with the build and let's see if we can get into the 10s or not. But either way, if I'm gonna get into the 10s, I think she's gonna need a little bit more power than what she's currently got. But hey, we'll try. Once we run out of, you know, all of our other options, tires, gears, springs, some other suspension mods, I might go with some lower control arms or something like that. And if she blows up, she blows up. I guess we just got to build her then. But potentially at the end of this racing season, we're talking like May of next year, we might be pulling the motor from this thing and we might be building her. So then we can make some real good power here. No promises, that's just speculation. I also might get another sports car at that point, I don't know. But what would really help me out is if you guys help me grow this channel. I make a little revenue from this channel that would help me so much, just to throw a couple mods at it. Liking this video, watching the videos all the way to the end. Watch time is so important on YouTube. It helps my channel out tremendously. So even if you're just watching my videos in the background, thank you so much. I appreciate any and all support. And of course, leaving a like and a comment and subscribing to the channel to follow build helps a lot too. Anyways, thanks for watching, boys. I might have another video out for you guys real soon after this. It may or may not be Mustang content actually, because I did buy another new car and this one's got a fun stick. Not an automatic like this thing. So I can't actually drive a manual, by the way. I did it backwards. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you next time.